Forgive me. Forgive me, I may sound like gloommonger, and the words I will speak may hurt your consciousness, which apparently seems dead. Here, everything seems pleasant and sound, but the world outside of this hall is not so pleasant. But yes, if it seems pleasant to you, then unfortunately you may have a dead soul. Because the world outside is stumbling. So let me speak on the behalf of 240 million Pakistanis. What the audience? The world we think we might know is just a mirage, hiding the storm we are sailing into. I ask you to brace yourself for the reality check. As in this mirage of blue sky over Adam's garden, there is an incarcerated sovereign entity incapable of building blockades on the riverside, while on the other hand is Leviathan, busy in constructing housing societies for the lords of this land. Just come and see, there is House of Justice seemingly doing prejudice. There is airport turned into court, while on the other hand, there is a questioning about family's disappearance became a crime in a court. Come and see, there is House of People out of its people's reach. There exists a democracy without holding periodic elections, and demos will come and see. There the whole state is running through invincible hands, but not in Adam Smith's way, but in a way of alpha, Roger, alpha, coding, decoding, and audio-video clips. Come and see. The Jinnah thoughts of making a separate religious state is now turned out to be a holy sin, as now his daughters, children, and sisters are not safe from devil and slut mindset. So their knowledge, love, and power twisted their knives toward each other and alarmed us. Unaware, we are stumbling toward a looming catastrophe. My lord, because here, if you speak aloud, you will get censored. If you march against the wall, you will disappear. If you speak about the rights of speech, then you might be obstructed from having the right to be declared as patriot. But if you're still going on, then now stop. Stop, you speak too much. As if you're still going on, now recite the Shahada. You have got the cancer in the last stage. It is because we are living in a dying nation. So we question to those who owns the power, does this garden have a gardener? Is this land pure? Or has anyone ever been internally pure? As the goddess of justice is sleeping, is God is sleeping, or is God is not for the polytrade? We are unaware. Who will speak about it for us? Who will save us? As we are looming toward a catastrophe. My lord, the clock is ticking, urging us to act before times becomes unforgiving master. Let's make a pledge unitedly, in awareness to rewrite the verses, to remove the dull and evil slut mindsets, to make the history, and to avert the catastrophe for humanity's sake. Thanks.